This segment is sponsored by New Perspective Financial Solutions. Life insurance has evolved over the years, and many people are still unaware of the types of policies that are being offered today and what it means to have living benefits. But here to help us out, we have Tayvon Jackson. Tayvon is the founder of New Perspective Financial Solutions, which is a DC-based firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. Tayvon, thanks for coming in to help us out with this one. I always hear life insurance, and I feel like you can't use it till after you pass, but that's not true. Can you use it while you are living?
Well, here's the problem. You don't want what's called a living death. And what that means is that you're alive, but you're killing everybody financially because they're trying to keep you alive. So a lot of people are having terminal illness, cancer, stroke, and they're going through a lot of stuff, but they have these life insurance policies that they can't touch. So what a living benefit is, it allows you to touch the death benefit while you're still alive. So if you don't go into a long-term care facility, it's going to be a tax-free benefit for your family. But if you do get sick, you have a bucket of money you can use.
So it's in those cases, though, when you are sick or one of the
terminal illness, cancer, stroke, heart attack, nursing home care, those are all the things that are covered.
Okay, if you think maybe your office and your company offers something like this, what do you recommend people should do?
Well, what people don't realize is that you have term life insurance with your job. So that means that it only covers you while you're working. And what people do is they make the mistake, they keep their term policy, but they don't get a permanent policy until they retire. But if you wait till 65 to get another policy, guess what? You're older and it's more expensive. So one thing you gotta realize is that if you have insurance through your job, you may have 3 to 5 times your salary, but that goes away once you retire.
Okay. We talked about, some of the conditions. If you have an underlying health condition and you're trying to apply, maybe you've waited till later, I assume, as it would be more expensive. What is it like for people who do have an underlying health condition? But
not even underlying conditions, you got to be fit too. So the insurance company, they want us all to be models. 6'3", 120 pounds. Yeah, that's what they want. But if you have a medical condition, blood pressure, high blood pressure is normal, high cholesterol is normal. But if you had a stroke, you had cancer, you may not even be able to get approved for life insurance. So that's why while you're healthy now, you need to get a policy. You need to get a policy while you're healthy, because if you wait too long, you won't be able to get it.
So we're talking to young people right now. Before you've had any of that. Okay, what steps do you decide to decide if a policy is right for you, or how to go about that process even?
Well, the insurance industry has changed so much. There's so many different policies now. So you have to decide, do you only care about death benefit, meaning a legacy for your family? Or do you care about cash value? Because a lot of these plans, you can put money in and it can build up cash that you can pull out tax-free. Or do you want living benefits, or do you want all three? So the one that I recommend is one called an Index Universal Life Policy. It has the life insurance, the living benefits, and cash value all in one. And if you're under 65, there's no medical exam. So that may be something to look into for a lot of retirees.
That sounds like the best of all of the worlds.
I think so.
That would work out well for you. I need to get on top of this. We had our daughter almost a year ago, and I'm like, we got to figure this out. So thank you, Tayvon.
No problem.
For educating us today. For you at home, if you would like to learn more about preparing for your retirement, New Perspective Financial Solutions has a great offer. Tayvon wants to help protect and continue to grow your money while also helping you better understand living benefits and how to create a reliable income stream. So right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $250,000 or greater, they're offering a complimentary retirement income plan just for you. This will allow Tayvon to sit down with you personally or schedule a call to make sure that you are on the right track for a successful retirement. The number to call is 240-335-8366. Again, 240-335-8366.